But we'll see our own winter weather this week. But first, we have to get through a stormy Monday. Walking us through it all, meteorologists Tim Pandages and David Paul. Dave, what's the timeline tomorrow? Set it up for us.
It's a lot of everything this week. It's really going to be an amazing weather week. If you're a weather fan, this is your next 7 days. So tomorrow we've got rain and thunder. That moves into our western counties around 10 a.m. and may linger through 8 a.m. in the evening. And because of that and the heavy rain threat, we may likely see street flooding and street ponding. That's the greatest severe weather threat. Also, small hail, I think, is likely in some of the heavier downpours. Now, this is an upper level system that is here, southeast corner of New Mexico, far western Texas. That's what's coming our way. This is not a surface cold front. It is an upper level low pressure. This is at 34,000 feet. There's the swirl. Notice how the winds are diverging, spreading out up there at 34,000 feet. That creates a vacuum at the top of the atmosphere. That helps to lift it. That creates convection. That creates the threat for heavy rain. And Tim, we've been looking at the timeline for tomorrow, and this is one that's going to take all day and even into the evening to get through here.
That's right, and we looked at the latest models showing it arriving here a little bit earlier than scheduled. So the morning commute, likely some scattered showers, especially the farther west you're located. That rain overspreads the area, pushing eastwards through mid-morning, becoming heavy at times. Through the lunch hour, we'll throw in some embedded thunder, maybe some street flooding in there as well, and some of the heavier downpours, and lasting right through the evening commute, even in through the first portion of the overnight. It looks like that rain will stick around. Here's how it looks like on the surface map. The rain overspreading, the bright colors means rainfall rates 1 to 2 inches an hour potentially, overwhelming some of those poor drainage basin areas, lasting right through 9 p.m. Here we are across the entire area, then finally diminishing and tapering off from west to east well after sunset as we approach midnight early Tuesday morning. So how much rain can we expect? Several inches, anywhere from 1 to 4 inches, maybe locally higher, which is why that flood threat is elevated up to a level 2 out of a 4-level system when we talk about flooding. The yellow encompasses most of the area of Houston and points southwest of there. Now, that's round 1. We've got another round of rain coming in here by Thursday, David, and that's going to have a big change coming in behind it.
Yeah, that's a strong cold front, so that's when the weather turns cold. Okay, here's where we are right now. There's our storm system. That's what comes in here tomorrow. But watch what happens as the jet stream evolves as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. Another big dip in the jet. That opens the door for cold air. That will send a surface cold front through here Wednesday evening, and so things start getting very cold on Thursday. And as we head into Thursday night and into Friday morning, that's when we expect a widespread freeze across the Houston area. Lows in the upper 20s and low 30s area wide. Again, that's going into Friday morning, and I think that also may last into Saturday morning. And look at Dallas, 14 degrees Friday morning. Oak City 12. This will also come with a significant band of snow across the Central Plains. That will try to get into Texas. In fact, the snow does get into Texas. We mostly get cold rain. This is going into midday Thursday. But if you are traveling to the Texas Hill Country, the I-35 corridor north of I-45 Corsicana to Dallas, or I-20 west of Dallas on Thursday, winter weather will impact you with icy bridges and overpasses. So Monday, slight rain chance early in the morning, then quickly ramping up to 60% by noon. 100% rain and thunderstorm chance tomorrow afternoon. The extended forecast, there's your rainy Monday. We warm up into the 70s Tuesday and Wednesday, and then it gets rainy as temperatures plunge during the day on Thursday. That's the day when Central Texas gets some ice. And then Friday morning, low of 28. Saturday morning, low of 32. We got a couple of morning freezes Friday and Saturday morning. Again, a big helping of every type of weather this week, guys.
I tell you, Mondays are rough enough just to get going, and then
Right.
you add on all that rain too. My goodness.
David says something for weather fans. Oh, good grief.